Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So in this video, as always, we will discuss about a crypto market update. So today's coin will be Solana. So let's go for the big picture of the Solana and see what will be the target for this bull run. Okay. So I'm on Binance exchange here. So I'm on the weekly time frame. So for the bigger picture, I'll explain you the wave counts that I've taken using the elite waves. So starting from here at the bottom here, I break down this level. So according to the count, I took this as wave 1. Okay, and we had a correction wave ABC flat. Okay, and we had third, we have ABC flat, and we have the fifth one. Then again we have another flat here. Okay, so that flat now it's going in a market is going in a correction wave here. Okay, you see we have this another flat, it's an expanding flat. So if you take the target for the expanding flat here, so the market mitigated that level. We can take that level as a key level as well. Okay. So if it is an expanding triangle, these two targets will be the common target for that. Okay. So when it is expanding flat here, so you can see that market made a clear rejection from the common target here. Okay, these are the targets for the C wave. So market made a clear, you can see it clearly, right? See how beautifully it has mitigated that level. You see, take a closer look here. Market mitigated that $97 and it boomed, rallied. Okay, so now if you take a closer look, this is also considered a key level in here. Okay, this level is also considered key level. 1.6 fib level is considered as fib level. So though that level has broken to the downside now. So if you take a closer look, guys, you can see that the wave 1, okay, 1 2 3 4 5, it has completed, right? So I took there are two scenarios for this. Okay, for one, this is a bullish scenario. I have taken this as wave 1 and wave 2 here. This is an flat, and wave 3 should go higher. So if you take a wave 3, then that should go for 20,000 level. So I think that this bull run won't be that much bigger. Okay, so my target for this bull run is, if you take it in the second scenario, bullish scenario, so we can consider this as a wave as well. Okay, a wave and a B and C. So if we take the C level, this is about this range. Okay, so this range is reachable. Okay, somewhat reachable maximum. So my common target is $2,000. Okay, 2,000 to $1,500 in this bull run. Okay, so if you go for the low time frame, let's go for the low time frames. Okay, so we had this impulsively move, right? If you see in the weekly chart, this is an impulsive move. So okay, 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, so this is a correction wave here. This is a correction wave. Okay, some correction wave here. So if you take a closer look, you can see that we can draw some fib levels in these levels, and the second wave should complete between here. Okay, if you are looking for spot, it's good to DC in these points. Okay, so these key levels are good key levels. So the market recently broke the 3 point, this is 0.38 to fib level. Okay, it has broken that level. See, it has broken that level here. So if it if the weekly candles, if it close below this, then we can expect a drop to this level as well. Okay, and this is also possible for market. If the rate cuts happens, then we can expect the market to bounce from this level as well. Okay, so it took the liquidity here, took all liquidity here. You see, it has taken the liquidity here. So those who are hoping for a drop can get trapped here. Okay, so markets always doesn't give for everyone. You should be cunning enough to take that. So it's like a liquidity here. Okay, it has taken the liquidity, you see, small wick, and so we can consider this as a wave 1 now. Okay, we can consider wave 1. So which C wave can be an impulse or a diagonal. Okay, so since the A wave is a impulse wave, then the C should be a diagonal pattern. So it can happen like this. Okay, I go for high time frame for your clear understanding. Okay, so the scenario is, guys, the C wave should be a diagonal, right? So it should go like 1 2 3 4 5. It should make a impulse firstly. Okay, at the first it should make a impulse, and then again we can consider this as a wave 1. Okay, so that to happen it takes much time, I guess. Okay, so we can take it as a wave 1. So in that wave 1 it should form a wave 2. Okay, and 3 4 5, and we can have a drop from this level. Okay, we can have a drop from that level. So that's why I consider that 1500 and 2000 is my minimum target. If it can reach this 3000 level as well. Okay, if the third is extended, we can consider it as a this 3000 is possible, but always have a look on the 1500 and 2000 price level. So if it let's zoom on to the chart here. So we are taking this as impulse wave here. So if the weekly candle, okay, if it close below this 0.38 fib level, we can assure a drop here this level. Okay, so guys, if you take a look here, in this also we have an impulse at 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, so here also we have a flat here, we have a flat pattern here, A B and C. So let's see whether the target has reached or what. Okay, so if we take here A B C, so the first target is reached here. Okay, if you take a look here, the first target is reached. We can take this as a ABC here. You see, market took the area, you see 1.618 fib level, so we had a rejection. Okay, you see market has impulse rallied, and what happened to the market? It has made a correction, retest, and see we have this rejection. See how long this rejection is. So if the day candle, okay, this is for day candle, if it can go from here as well, we can make the same wick like this. Okay, so it's always for the, so have a look on this. Okay, so if this level is broken, then next level will be this 126 level. Okay, this 126 level will be the next target. So you can expect a long from here, or else from this fib level. This will be a golden zone here. And I'll end up this video here, guys, and I hope this video was useful for you. So let's meet up on another crypto update. Until then, stay tuned, guys.